I don't know what it's called. And this is their chicken wings. This is Czech's national food.
Zbyčkova.
Pork with sauerkraut. And their chicken wings. Yeah, I can. Sauerkraut.
Yeah.
This is their menu.
Cucumber mayo.
And our bill is surprisingly much cheaper when we eat in Manila. This is called
Pygmy cheese tupacka.
Masarap yung food. I love it.